I am here to do just a quick unboxing of this Keyestudio. I don't know how you want to say that. The ultimate starter kit for Arduino, which is really well produced package. It comes in a nice shrink wrap wrapper, which I've taken off now. But that's nice coming from China. Means it's probably been in there for over a couple of weeks at least. So just nice in the COVID world. Comes with a nice book. I'll maybe look at that later. Very well packaged. There's a resistor sticker there, so I can maybe stick that on later. And then you see all the parts that you've got to ultimately end up building the robot. You take this tray off. I'm very surprised at how nicely it's finished. Plenty of cables. There's the Arduino itself. It's a little smaller than I expected. I think the box is nicely done. I think once you've taken out the motors and the wheels, you can then use these insets, and you've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 4 sections, so you can put components in there. And actually, that's one of the things that look at the amount of transistors and LEDs that you get. Some more capacitors. Did I say transistors? I think you do get a couple of transistors. All these segment displays are extra compared to the Spark Fun kit that we're used to. I think that might be a relay. And then there's a motion sensor there, which is extra. There's the motor driver. And the remote control is an extra, as is this caster that can go on the back of the buggy. So no kind of paper clip there. Just there's a full caster. So it's a great quality product, well packaged, and I'm sure if you like the Spark Fun kit, you'd be really happy with this one. Okay, so a few more thoughts since I've been looking at the stuff. I mean, you've got more capacitors and LEDs and resistors to last a lifetime. I think there's about 100 resistors there. But more importantly, things like this potentiometer, which you use in a lot of projects, and it is possible to break them. There's 2 of them, so that's nice. There's 2 LDRs as well, which is proven a little bit fragile, and there's 2 piezo buzzers as well, and plus a whole load of transistors and infrared sensor there, and then there's some more sensors and a remote control, which is extra compared to the Spark Fun kit. Lastly, I wanted to show you the book. Quite a nice cover, list of projects, and there's a link to a website as well, how to put the base plate together, list of components, which is pretty useful. Nicely produced, good quality printing. I would say probably would have been better if it was I mean, this is A5, isn't it? So if it was a size bigger, because some of these diagrams are a little bit small, but it takes you through the experiments. They tend to have a circuit diagram, components that you need. It doesn't have a kind of Fritzing diagram, but you can get it from the circuit diagram and the picture. But a very nice book. Maybe not as good as the Arduino guide. The Spark Fun guide, but that's available online anyway. Just one last thing about the back page in this book. I mean, all the English in the book is actually very well written, which makes a change. So Keyestudio is a best-selling brand owned by Keys Corporation. Our product lines range from Arduino boards, sensor shields, modules, Raspberry Pi, etc. Located in Shenzhen, the Silicon Valley of China. which is about an hour across the border from Hong Kong, I believe.